Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cameron here with KynLi Accounting, and we are back with another video in our agency pain series where we're trying to address those things that keep you up at night, that just really they hurt. It hurts, right? All right. Of course, I got my notes right here because there's so much information. We don't want to miss anything. You ready? Here we go. This is today's topic: staffing. Not having enough people to get the job done. I know that's something that every marketing agency is like, preach, brother, because I wish I had some help right now. But maybe you could. We've talked about this in our other videos. Maybe if you knew what your top 5 revenue streams were, maybe if you could increase revenue per account, then maybe you could hire. Or I don't know, maybe if you restructured your business, then maybe you could hire. But you can't do those 3 things I named without even having accounting in place. Without financials, you don't even know how much money you made. You could be at the point right now where you have $100,000 of extra profit in the business, and you could have hired 2 or 3 more consultants or full-time people. Who knows? But if you don't have that, you don't know. Because it could be the opposite. Maybe you only are breaking even every single month and you can't afford the help. So it's going to be very, very important for you to increase revenue per account. We talked about that on a past video. Or to identify what are my top 5 revenue streams so that I can better focus on that and use that to bring in more money so that I can plan to bring on more help. You see how this stuff all works together? That's why it's so important to have somebody on your team that can walk with you, that can show you and point out these different things and discrepancies and things you should be paying attention to, because everything works together. We all need more help, but if you can't afford it, it doesn't matter. Or maybe you can afford a part-time person or a full-time person. Or maybe it's better to outsource and get somebody that's a consultant that can help you in a certain way. But you have to pay attention to how you hire and how you classify, because we don't want to pay any bad payroll taxes for misclassification. We talked about that in our optimized system, just like we talked about having the foundational books in our systemized series, right? So hopefully that wasn't too much information. You got it. For more information, please go to KynLiAccounting.com. For more videos in this series, go to our YouTube channel at Cameron Williams. And lastly, you may say, man, that was a lot you said right there. I think I'm already in trouble. It's okay. We have a diagnostic review where we will look through your books for you, say, hey, these 10 things right here, they're wrong. You need to fix those, because if not, it's going to be a problem for these reasons. If you decide to work with us, which we would love, hey, we're going to give you money off of your business tax return. We're going to give you money off of your cleanup, or even if we got to scrap everything you have and just start from scratch, we'll give you money off that too. And we probably have a free ebook that we will offer as well, just for you, because we're invested in you growing and learning and becoming a better business owner. All right. So thankful that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Send us a message, DM us. We're so excited. We have more videos coming. I'm excited if you can't tell. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Peace.
So quickly now, faith so fragile, like the seed that fell in the thorns or weeds. When worry comes, it chokes it, you can't refrain. Faith so fragile, it's like they planted around.